So I'm actually packing right now because we're leaving for LA in a few hours and I still have not packed my makeup because you guys, it has been madness in my house. I guess right now we'll just do the makeup. So guys, I'm so lucky because I did get this foundation that I'm wearing right now. I've been wearing this for hours. This is the best. Now I did a video. I'm going to be uploading it soon because I'll probably upload this one first. The one that I did the other day that I was telling you where the bugs were hitting me. I tried the Patrick Ta foundation and the Huda. I tested them one against the other to show you and to show myself. And this one blows them both out of the water. My opinion, this is the most gorgeous foundation I've ever seen. So much coverage, so lightweight, luminosity, soft matte, clean beauty ingredients. The color matched me perfectly. They have a lot of different colors though. So this is, of course, One Size Beauty Patrick Star. It's called the Full Beat Foundation. And Turn Up the Base Full Beat Liquid Foundation. Love the packaging, glass bottle. And you guys, it's just so gorgeous. I didn't bake my face. I didn't do anything. I just got these brushes from SL Miss Glam Beauty, who I've been such a fan of for so long here on YouTube. I love her. And she sent me these brushes. Oh my goodness, you guys. I actually made a video outside, so I'll show you the better video. These brushes are flipping amazing. SL Miss Glam Beauty. And they're so soft. What I was telling you is I put on this foundation, a little bit of powder with this brush. I didn't even bake it on really or anything. I used a little bit. I didn't do any baking though. I just took a little powder, went like this, and then took my fluffy brush here from Miss SL Miss Glam, and just wiped it away. That's it. I don't even have you know uh, too much concealer or anything. That's it. Because sometimes I only put just a little bit of concealer right here to brighten. That was it. This is amazing. So lightweight and so much coverage. Love it. So I am bringing this with me. I was thinking, which foundation am I going to bring? This is the one that I'm bringing. So it's already 10 minutes in and we're just putting one product in right now, you guys, because I've been talking. Okay, let's keep moving. This is another wow, wow, wow. Natasha Denona, this is beautiful. So this is definitely coming with, and I did use now Miss Glam, SL Miss Glam sent me this set that I'll insert a picture of. And so you're getting in this kit that she came out with, you're getting these face brushes, dual ended, and the eye brushes, and a beautiful little case. So I'm gonna bring these to, why am I putting on more makeup, guys, right? Because I'm supposed to be going to bed. But I can't help it because I love these brushes. They're so soft. The pink, the crystals, they're everything. And then this palette is just so, so wonderful. And now I am going to, do you think I need to bring this, you guys? Because I lost the cap, so I feel like it might get messy. But I love this, the P. Louise base. I got to get more P. Louise. I saw someone using the lip products from P. Louise and they were gorgeous, the nude lips. So I'm definitely, but I can't order right now because I'm leaving. But as soon as I get home, I'm ordering her lip liner, P. Louise lip liner. And there's like these creams, I believe, cream pots, I'm not sure. Something that she has. Okay. So that's it. I'm done. No, we got to keep going. Okay, this is beautiful. But see, I don't know if I want to bring this. I want to bring this. Where is it? I'm never going to be able to do this, guys, because everything is all over the place. And, oh, here it is. Okay. This is a dream. This is the Patrick Ta blush. Just enough. Definitely bringing this. It's gorgeous. This is a dream. Definitely bringing this. Okay, now this is a dream. Bringing this Patrick Star One Size Fantasize Mascara. Bringing this. My Patrick Star. This is a Patrick Star video right now, but I love these. Patrick Star Lip Snatcher lip liner. Love this. These are so long lasting. I love that. So I'm bringing that, and then I'll bring, oh, this I gotta bring too to mix in. I don't even have anything on my lips right now. Let's just do, this is my favorite. This is amazing. This Farah Hamidi lip liner in Milky, and then the One Size Patrick Star just for the contour. But I'm gonna, when I go to California, hopefully I'll get into the Sephora there. It's so much fun because they have so many beautiful products. They have every product there, and everybody just has such beautiful makeup on. All the artists. Okay, bringing this Milky. This is actually, let me put this in my everyday makeup bag because I'm gonna be wearing this. You guys, okay, this is beautiful. This has to come. I wish I could wash it, but I don't think I have time for that. But this is a new Patrick Star Infinity sponge, face sponge. It has so many different, shapes to it. So you can get it really into, and it's every part of your face, and it's very soft. So look how squishy. Okay, that's coming. Oh, my brow products I cannot be without. Okay, here is Patrick Star. Okay, these are my favorite. Ultra Peach. Love this. It's that setting powder. Okay, and I gotta bring my brow products. Concealer. Everything is in a box over here, you guys. It's just all over the place. I can't bring I had to put everything, I had to bring everything upstairs in plastic bags from my beauty room because I was just so traumatized. Here it is, you guys. YSL All Hours Hyper Bronze. This is coming with. This is amazing. Okay, keep it going. You're like, girl, keep it together. I wish I could find my ABH, serum. I can't find it, so blush. So we'll just bring this one, Armani Beauty Serum Blush, liquid blush. And then, okay, do we need, this is beautiful. I've had this forever, Heatherette. I didn't really know, how to use this, but now I do. When I got this like 20 years ago. I don't really want to use it, but I got to because it's beautiful. And I was watching Plastique Tiara, I believe her name is, or their name is, and he was saying how you have to layer the blushes. First you put on the baby pink, and then you go in with the deeper and deeper blushes. So now I'm using it for that. Okay, now here are all of my foundation options, but I'm bringing that one that I showed you because it's everything. The Patrick Star. So, because I just got this, I showed you guys in a video, but this does not compare. And I got the Patrick Star again, I showed you, does not compare to, Patrick Ta does not compare though to the Patrick Star. So let's just, is there anything else in here? This is always nice. I never use it, but it's so nice. Maybe I'll use this since we're gonna go out to dinner and things, to Chicot Rare Beauty concealer. I'm almost out of this. This one is my favorite, but it's basically all gone. I gotta get another one. So you know what? I'll just leave it. I'll bring the Fenty one instead because I like to use these ones for brightening and for eyeshadow base. Okay, I'll bring the Rare Beauty. Why not? So is there anything else from here that we could use? This I really love. This is absolutely gorgeous as a primer. So I'm definitely gonna bring this. Chanel #1. This is a beautiful, you put it on, like it's like a primer. It makes your skin glow. So we'll bring this. Okay, should I bring? I don't think that I'll use this, but let's just bring it in case. The Charlotte Tilbury, Her Glow. I'm gonna use this now. I see a lot of people using this actually as a highlighter. That was that foundation. I'll use it maybe I'll use that as a highlighter. Okay, now that bag, I should just go through each bag and pick stuff out, right? Here is some primers, but I have the Chanel one, so I don't need a primer. And here we're getting close to the lips, you guys. The lips are everything. Okay, here are some face powders. Let's see here. Oh, this I do love for travel. Tarte face powder. Let's just bring that. And then we need a powder. I think my Charlotte Tilbury is all used up, or I would bring this. Oh, it's not. I still have. Okay, bringing that. And some I got my one size face poof. Oh, I love this. We'll bring this, the Huda Easy Bake, and this is the pink one, Cherry Blossom. This is talc free. Love it. See, I got so many lips here. Here's a lip primer, which I really don't use this, but I'm wanting to get into it. So let's put some of this on and bring it with me. Just throwing on a lip. Charlotte Tilbury Valentine. You can always wear a lip oil, Dior, of course. I just love makeup so much. Makeup makes me so happy, as you could probably tell. This is amazing. Maybelline Build a Brow. Amazing. Gotta bring that. Let me put all the brow stuff in here so I don't lose it in this little zippered pocket. Okay, to fill in. And then, of course, we need an eyelash curler. And, oh, I have this Rare Beauty brow gel. I've never tried that. Let me bring that with me to try it. So I will continue to pack. Did bring a good amount of stuff here. So anyway, guys, I hope you're doing good. Thanks for spending time with me and packing for LA. I had so many things to tell you, but now I forgot about to tell you another day. But anyway, guys, love you so much, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.